Hunch is high school students united with NASA to create hardware. Basically what they're doing is they're partnering with over 500 schools throughout the United States.
NASA Hunch gives us a problem and we have to come up with a solution. We had people in culinary, fashion design, there's a bunch of different people who work on this.
When we first got introduced to NASA Hunch, it was pretty exciting because we had multiple projects to choose from. Like it was like a table, a chair, and then you could investigate how insects would be on the moon. I decided to choose the lunar habitat chair.
Last year when I was in Fashion 1, they told us that we would be working with NASA. So I decided to take Fashion 2, and we are making these pockets for the International Space Station. So each pocket goes on like a bigger toiletry kit for the astronauts in the space station. So we make the pockets and sew them, and another school is going to put them on.
Really valuable for NASA. So because our high school students are involved, we have people here that went to CFISD. So the fact that they are seeing people that work at NASA, hopefully it brings them up to the idea that they can start and do their same kind of engineering that they want to do here as well.
I think it's neat that we can partner with NASA Hunch. It gives me a little taste of how engineering really is.
I will be working with NASA over the summer, 5 days out of the week, to work and sew with the ladies who come to our school.
Throughout the school year, the teachers work with the students, and we end up picking the best students to stick with us and work through the summer internship. It has to meet our tolerances and standards that NASA set for all flight hardware. And so that's what the kids learn here, hands-on.
You feel like you get a grasp on what it'll be like if you ever get into the engineering field.
Everyone I talk to, they always say like, oh, I wish I had something like that in my high school. And because I did, I mean, it led to me getting my current job at Oceaneering Space Systems.
Essentially, I worked for NASA, you know what I mean? It's really cool to see something that I built with a bunch of my friends is gonna be made and put in a place for the public to see.
To be a semi-finalist, as well as just getting that signature from Glenn Johnson and the NASA team, I feel like it puts me over a few other students.
During my time at CFISD and Hunch, it really taught me more than just the basic level of being a machinist. So whenever I entered the workforce, I was well above what most people are. Jump-started my career probably, 10 years.
When you add on the extra opportunities, like we got to go see the youngest female architect in Texas who went here. We got to go to her firm and talk to her, and then you add NASA to that, it's amazing.